And here we are, Wednesday. Let me check. Yeah, Wednesday afternoon. So today there was no raining, even though it was predicted. So yeah, people are getting quite sick of this rain. Even we have to be honest, here in Ljubljana we were pretty lucky. But for example, yesterday in Ilirska Bistrica, so this is on southwest of Slovenia, there was a tornado. So apparently it was in the nearby village of Trnovo, but yeah, apparently it just blew through the settlement, the village, and at least 11 houses, 11 buildings were damaged. So you don't see this kind of weather activity here in Slovenia every day. And yeah, so today okay, come on. Yeah, I think these containers, wagons, I don't know what would be the correct term for describe this type of carts, railway cars, yeah, it's a railway car. I think they were pretty empty. So yeah, today it was like 29 degrees, so nothing major. No, dej, Lizi, tukaj umaknemo se, majhna zadevca je, ne bo tvirvac, glej, vidiš, noče se je igrat. Ja. Liza didn't want to move. She wanted to move closer to the little guy, but the little guy was too yappy and not happy. Anyway, tukaj, Lizzy. So yeah, pretty, let's say, nice weather. Liza was actually outside when I came home. Yeah, Monty was also playing. Liza actually managed to notice me, wag her tail, and even say a couple of woo-woos to me. So today she was in good mood. And then when we went for this walk, she also made some zoomies. So yeah. And she has been eating regularly for last couple of days, so this is also good. Just her, combination of kibble, really Lizzy, kibble, canned food, and yogurt, of course, plus treats. We cannot forget treats during the day. I wish that you would, but while we are waiting here, we can see they are pretty done with the exterior of these 4 towers. They are still working on let's say yard or the rest of the complex, but then I assume inside of the complex, well, inside of the buildings. But yeah, so I think they are pretty right on schedule. So they said by the end of the year they will be finished. They would be, and they will be. Oh yeah. Okay, let's end on this point.